In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional QR code for your business in just a few minutes. Have you ever noticed how QR codes are everywhere now? From restaurants to retail stores to business cards, they make it super easy for customers to scan and connect instantly with your business. Let's jump into my screen and I'll walk you through step by step. Let me quickly show you how to create a QR code using brandedqrcode.com. First, scroll down on the homepage until you see the button that says Create Your QR Code. Click it. You'll then be asked to choose how you want to create your QR code. You can either create it manually or use the Design Assistant. We'll use the Design Assistant because it lets you make a QR code quickly and easily. Next, upload your logo, resize it to your liking, and when you're happy with how it looks, click Apply Changes. Instantly, you'll be given about 4 to 6 ready-made options, each with a slightly different style. Pick the one you like the most. This is where it gets fun. You can now design the QR code completely to your taste. You can change the pattern shape of the QR code, adjust the corner style, and even choose the frame style. You can also edit the frame text, for example, making it say, "Scan me," or anything else that fits your brand. Once your design looks exactly how you want it, simply enter the URL of your website in the box provided. After that, click on Download Dynamic QR Code. And that's it. Your branded QR code is ready. I'll scan it right now to show you how it works. And there it is, the QR code working perfectly. But let's talk about why this simple little code is such a powerful tool for your business. First, convenience. Customers don't want to type in long links or search for your brand. With a QR code, all it takes is one quick scan and they're instantly where you want them to be. Your website, your store, or your latest offer. Second, professional branding. Instead of using a plain black and white box, you can customize your QR code with your logo, your brand colors, and a unique style that stands out. That way, your QR code doesn't just function, it becomes a part of your brand identity. Third, flexibility. With dynamic QR codes, you don't lock yourself into one link forever. You can change the destination at any time without reprinting a single flyer or business card. Imagine running a new promotion next month. You just update the link and all your printed codes stay valid. And finally, tracking and insights. This is a game changer. You can see how many people are scanning your codes, where they're coming from, even what time of day gets the most engagement. It's like having real-time analytics for your offline marketing. So whether you're a cafe owner putting QR codes on menus, a shop adding them to packaging, or a creator linking people to your socials, QR codes are one of the easiest ways to bridge the offline and online worlds. If you're not using them yet, you're definitely leaving opportunities on the table. So go ahead, create your QR code, test it out, and see how it transforms the way people interact with your business. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about how you'll use QR codes. I'd love to hear your ideas.